Here's how to set up Hey Google on your Android phone so that you can use Google Assistant hands-free. First of all, you need to go ahead and open the Google application on your Android phone. Simply go ahead and search for Google. Then after, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and go to Settings. From the Settings page, tap on Google Assistant, that is between Notifications and Gemini. Now from this page, you need to go ahead and tap on Voice Match option. That is the initial option in this page. Now simply go ahead and toggle the option of Hey Google. And this allows Google Assistant to respond when you say the wake words. Teach Google your voice by following the prompts and saying Hey Google a few times, and this helps it recognize your voice. Go ahead and tap on Turn On from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down, tap on I agree, the following prompt which is displayed in the top. Okay Google, help me write a thank you note. Likewise, go through on-screen instructions. Hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Once you're ready, tap on Done in the bottom right corner of your screen. And now the Google Assistant will respond to your voice only, making it secure. You can say, Hey Google, to send messages, open apps, set reminders, check the weather, or control smart devices without touching your phone. Make sure your microphone is enabled and that Google Assistant has permission to run in the background. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.